I've got a problem. My roller is bad. You can see it's not riding very well. It's not really even spinning too well. So we're going to take that off and put a new one on. So my plan is to first take the tension off the belt, off the track, and then hopefully I can get some space between that roller and the track. On the back there, right up there, can't quite see it from the camera, but there is a bolt that goes through that squeezes that roller right in place, and it looks like maybe 15 millimeter. 13 millimeter. Let's take this cover off. You don't have to take the bolts all the way out. Just start them, and this opens up. And inside there are two little fittings. One is just like a Zerk fitting without the ball in it that keeps pressure. And in my case, the Zerk one is on the bottom, the real Zerk that you add the grease to. The top one is what relieves the pressure off of it. So I'm going to open up the top one slowly. I'm going to go 3/8. Thank you. So what I'm doing right now, just cracking this. You hear it moving. Here comes the grease. The grease is slowly oozing out of there. So I'm going to open this up a little more. You can see it come out my socket now. Here it comes. There she is. Look at that thing. Gone. It's rolling around all loose. Now here's the busted roller. Just spinning around, spinning around. I wonder if it's so loud. All the internals are completely gone. The balls. Look at that. That's how it was. It was staying in place. Amazing. Okay. Oh, goes nicely. This is the bleed fitting. I've got to just gently tighten to where it's going to hold the grease. You don't want to bust the head off of it, so take it easy. Okay. Now, lay on the grease. I'm going to put this one on the Zerk fitting that adds grease to the cylinder. And alright, so I'm going to lift the excavator so we can measure. Alright, now we're going to adjust our tracks. See that roller right there? I'm shooting for a finger height between the track and the roller. Right there, that's it. That's how much you want to tighten your tracks. Well, thanks Bobcat for making that so easy to fix. Should I thank you for using an inferior roller? I don't know. It lasted 1,800 hours? What do I have on this? 1,800, 1,900 hours? Maybe that's good.